Alright, so we're going to do an update on the sauerkraut. It's all done, but I'm just going to show you guys what I did in the week while it was fermenting. Let's do it. Alright, so I have the finished product here. It's beautiful. It's been in the fridge since like this morning. But in the last video I was telling you guys, every day open it and mix it up and mash it down for 15 to 30 seconds and then put the lid back on very lightly. Lightly is key. It has to be able to breathe. If it can't breathe, it can't ferment. If you're really trying to nail it, you're gonna get an AirLock. I put a link on my last video for Amazon if you want to get the AirLock system. I think it's like 20 or 30 bucks. It's a few lids. So you can ferment anything, good investment, but you don't have to have them. I don't have them, and I still do it just fine. So I'm gonna show you guys how I stirred it. Just open the jar. Take some clean wooden spoon or whatever, as long as it reaches down there. Mix it up. You want to taste that brine too, see if it's the right salt consistency. First couple days when it's really fermenting, it might not taste that good, but after 3 or 4 days, you'll be able to tell if you're gonna have to add a little more salt water or just a little more fresh water. So once it was all said and done, mine tasted pretty good, but I decided to add slightly more salt, some granulated garlic, and chili powder, and then I shook it all up, threw it in the fridge, and now we're throwing this stuff on everything, forking it up, just eating it plain. I'm gonna have to start some more soon. This stuff is so addicting, it's ridiculous. The beautiful thing about it, you can eat it all day, every day. You're gonna have some gas, it's gonna be pretty crazy, but hey, you can do it. I'm just saying. Stir it, mash it down, taste it after the 3rd or 4th day. This I fermented 8 days before I put it in the refrigerator. Like I said before in the last episode, it has a lot to do with the temperature inside your house. If it's colder, it's gonna take a couple more days. If it's warmer, it's gonna take a couple less days. So just taste it every day, mix it up, mash it up, and you'll be getting sour in no time. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'm starting to work on the kombucha series. I can't wait. I've been wanting to put this episode up for a while, but I wanted to get everything squared away, and I'm excited. It's gonna be 5 or 6 part series. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a SCOBY, how to ferment kombucha, and then after that, second fermentation, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make alcoholic kombucha, like 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7%, even though I think 7% is a little high for kombucha, but no more buying booze, just get boozcha. Sauerkraut, kombucha coming, hop updates, making moves. The music's gonna start soon, so keep your ears and eyes open for that. I love you guys. Keep it fresh, family. You.